Welcome back to our channel.
So today we are planning to buy the pork neck in the butchery for tomorrow's shashlik.
Sashlik na naman tayo. Mas gusto nilang may sashlik.
Yeah, we need the pork neck. That's why we came to BGC.
O, ang layo ng binilhan namin ng pork neck. Oh, kakagising lang ng baby natin. Hello. Sobrang haba ng tulog niya, isang oras sa sasakyan. Are you happy we're back here? Ah? Kakain na kami ng lunch and nagkahanap kami kung saan kami pwede kumain. Kasi ang ganda ng ano dito, oh. Ng paligid. Hot? So, ito yung pagkain ni Bella. Rice, carrots, nag-order din kami ng tom yum and jasmine rice. Christmas is coming soon! Gusto daw ni Jenny maglakad-lakad. It's 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Ang init! Pero siya gusto niya maglakad. Yan, nag-sunglasses na tayo kasi ang init.
Right on the bicycle and well down.
Yeah. When she learns how to stand or walk by herself. Where's our next destination? Okay.
Well, just walk around a bit. Breathe the air.
Yan, pumunta lang naman kami dito para bumili ng pork.
What's new in BGC?
Ganda ng artwork, oh. Sabi ko, pasok kami sa mall kasi mainit. Hindi pwede kay baby. First time namin, gumala na kami ng dalawa with Bella. Kasi dati, kasama namin lagi si Babushka. Bella, are you okay? Say hi! Bye-bye! He's sleeping.
Well, who is that man? Uy.
Dude, look at this design. It's like smoke.
He's chilling.
Bella. Belle, there's a dog. Do you hear that? Ganda naman, oh. We're buying pork neck. Nakabili na kami ng pork neck. Sing! She's singing. Are you singing?
Love. Let's go, love.
Wow, tingnan nyo guys. Ang ganda. Oh. Andiyan na kami sa bahay. Buti na nakauwi kami ng maaga kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan. Na ganito lang kalakas, hindi na maging ano pa, super typhoon. And it's time for me to cook dinner. Magluluto ko ng pesto pasta. Ito yung lalagyan namin ng ano, sibuyas, tsaka garlic. May patatas din tayo dun kasi mahilig si Jenna kumain ng mashed potato. Gosh, nakakaiyak yung sibuyas. Ay, nako. Dati si Babushka yung nagsislice ng onion para mabilis at walang iyakan. Si Jenna kasi may ano siya, may work na siya. Gusto niya din akong tulungan pag nagbabalat, nagsislice ng onion kasi doon umiiyak daw ako. I'm crying!
So sentimental.
Yeah, babe, I'm so
You have
sentimental.
clothes also.
No,
You were talking to.
I'm vlogging. I said I'm crying because of the onion. You did not work? You did not work? You're working. Upstairs. Iwa ng sibuyas at onion. Okay, mamaya na ako mag-vlog kasi may call si siya. May ka-meeting na siya. Ready na yung sauce natin. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng shrimps, pesto sauce, onion garlic, and olive oil. Ito pala yung pork neck na binili namin kanina dun sa Santis. I-marinate yan ni Jenna mamaya para bukas sa sashlik barbecue na kami. Working. Again. Oy! That's okay.
Hi.
Up, up, up.
Go to mama.
Up. Up. Wow! Go to Papa. Go to Papa. Go to Papa. Come here. Wow! Okay, go to Papa. Go to Papa. Papa, hold Bella. Go to Papa.
Come here,
Come
Belle.
on, go walk.
Come here.
Da. Go to Papa.
Belle, come here. Belle. Belle, come here.
Are you scared?
Mama, go with me, Mama.
Go to Papa. Go to Papa. Go. Ready na yung pesto natin. Let's try. Do you want to try, babe? Let's eat. Let's pray. Lord, thank you so much. Wait. So, babe, how was your day today? Good?
Yes. The day was good.
Are you excited for tomorrow's session?
Barbecue, yeah. Let's invite your parents.
Okay, yeah, I'll message them tomorrow to come here.
Just told them that tomorrow, but I don't know about time yet.
Yeah.
I need to modify our grill first.
Okay. What?
We have about the carnaroli rice.
For?
Risotto. It's the best one for risotto.
cook risotto for me
I
again.
will.
So next video, risotto. I know. Shashlik.
This is a food vlog.
We're just eating in our vlog.
Yeah. Food vlog.
But I'm gonna do a room tour video.
Room tour.
Just room, not the whole house yet.
You can do house tour, why not?
I'm not ready for a house tour.
This what we call pork neck, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I swear this is the best adobo cubes. Okay, not those adobo cubes that we can buy in Shopwise somewhere else. This pork cubes from pork neck.
Okay.
Try it once and you'll never wanted to eat something else.
Okay, it's Saturday and magba-barbecue kami. Shashlik. Ito din yung dyan niya kanina lang kasi lalagay niya daw yung stick ng barbecue dyan. Ito na yung pork. Ready na siya. Binabad siya ni Jen niya kagabi sa onion. Ano pa ba nilagay niya? Salt, pepper. Nilagay niya daw ng water. Hello, handsome.
Hi. Need more charcoal. It's good.
Let's eat.